This is HP 15 series motherboard laptop. This laptop is laptop problem is no power on. Let's check what ampere is taken when we connect DC power supply. It's taken 0.0005 amp. As per this, I am need to on this laptop, but when I power this laptop, power switch is pressing fluently, but laptop is not turning on. Without wasting any time, let's open and check. In this HP 15 motherboard, there is a shorting in this coil. This coil is going to short in with a ground, and when we trace this problem, the backside of board there is a one MOSFET to control this board is short. We replace this, and there is also little capacitors, they are also faulty. Now let's see. We connect DC power supply. Before this DC power supply taken 0.005. Now this is taken 0.004, and when we power on the laptop is powered on, taking 854 540 amp. Fan is spinning and display is coming. This HP 15 laptop is now ready to pack. This case study is solved. Thank you.